Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-FlexCam training course, and the topic for today will be the 5-axis drilling. This is one more video of this group that shows the options and the commands for 5-axis operations, and this is one more operation. To show you, I've created this cylinder round and with several holes around his exterior face. So as we've seen already, to make these milling operations we need to go to the CNC menu, and inside we have one specific function called 5D drilling. So just open this, and among the possibilities we have some cycles, custom cycles, and 5D drilling cycles. These are standard operations, but I want to focus in this 5D drilling. And the 5D drilling allows us to create this toolpath type, having as base information either a face, an edge, or a coordinate system, or even a point. Okay. All of these methods are okay to create these toolpaths, but I will focus in the method that has as a standard information LCS, a local coordinate system. This is okay also, and this one also okay. But in this particular case, the face, if I choose the face, because these are not, this is not planar face, so it does not choose, or it cannot find the necessary drilling holes. The same for the edge. We could choose this edge, but in the end does not allow us to calculate the toolpath. And both of these options, I will consider that they are more suitable for planar faces in different orientations. But when we are speaking about planar faces, they work okay. In cylindrical faces, which is the case, it's not so good. When we go to the local coordinate system, this option works in any case. So I truly prefer to show you this option here because the purpose is the same, and it will work in any of the operations. Let's try to create something so that we can check how to work with this. I have a couple of holes. I'll try to create an LCS in one of these holes. To do that, I will start with a work plan that I can create having this as an operation, and I will turn this 90 degrees, so something like this. Okay, so now I will create an LCS where the center point will be the center of the face, and I need to orientate the Z axis with the axis that I want to make the drilling operation. So the X, I can say, for example, this guy here, and now I will turn my axis to put the Z pointing out. So I will turn around X, okay, like this, and create it, and it is done. Okay, perpendicular to the whole orientation, and this is what we want. We could do this for any of the other of the holes we have present here. Okay, and now CNC 5D drilling. So drilling, we can choose from these options. So I will choose the LCS, so this one. I will choose a tool file. I'm not worried about what kind of tool, it's just to show, so I will use what I've been using because it's created at this point. It's a standard 4 mil diameter. It's not a drill, but for the operation to show you it is enough. We have these spindles, feed rates, elements, whatever. It's the same as you saw already in previous operations. Then we can choose from this type of cycles, so preliminary facing, drilling out, final facing, whatever it is. So, and when you choose one of these cycles, you have all of these options. So you will have options highlight and off considering the cycle chosen. Okay, these are very simple topics, and we just need to give some values. So vertical displacement, deep channel diameter, deep channel depth, whatever. So it's a question of giving values. This is a Z plane for applying a rotation, the Z reference plane, so you can change values also here. We have also an option that in this particular case does not opens, which is a filter, and allow us to choose from a situation, for example, a face selection where you have many holes. So we can filter the ones to be found automatically through values. Let us make another example after this one to see the difference. And we can give also some tool rotations that in this particular case it's not possible also. So let us calculate, and as you can see, so the vector is pointed through the LCS, and for sure we can simulate, play, and simply do it in out. So very simple. To show you the other operation, let us consider this inner circle of the cylinder as a hole also. We can make the same exercise. So drilling, I can select a face or an edge, for example, edge. So pointing this one, I will select the same tool. It doesn't matter really. So drilling, and you see hole filter. I can choose a diameter filter and apply a range of values that if I had edges or select a face, choose only those ones. Okay, depth equal or auto, and it considers in this particular case this hole. And we can define also the vector to apply this calculation. So simply do this and it will make the drilling. Again, simulating, and simply goes out, goes in and goes out. So these are very straightforward. I think this is very easy to use. So I hope that this very easy example, it's enough for your understanding about the 5D drilling. But anyway, if you need any support or help for any particular case, so let us know, and you can have our help.